Ladies and gentlemen, let's see how easy it is to clean Andersen 200 series, or maybe it's not too easy. Okay, so here I have this Andersen 200 series double hung window. You may ask, how do I know what type of the windows do I have in my house? Because once you peel off that sticker, you have no idea what type of the windows were installed. But nothing to worry about. I'm gonna show you exactly how to figure out what type of the window you have in your house, because even with Andersen has Andersen 100 series, 200 series, 400 series, and all of them, they do tilting for easy cleaning different way. So first thing, you wanna know what type of the window you have. I mean, what's the material inside. The Andersen 200 series has a wood interior, so you have to figure out if the sash is made from wood. How to do that? You don't have to scratch the paint and see, oh, is this wood or what is that? No, when you look at these corner cuts right here, corner joints, they are pretty much nice and neat. So it means that probably high probability that this is a wood interior. So that's the first step, because if you have vinyl windows, you're gonna have those welded joints, welded corners. You're gonna see the weld remains on the corners. Okay, so second step to make sure that this is Andersen 200 series, you have these two vinyl side locks. Andersen 100 series and 400 series, they do not have the side locks. So if you have this with the same design right here, the side locks, and bigger and bulkier the lock, then it means a 200 series. So congratulations, this is Andersen 200 series. Let's go and tilt it in. I'll show you how to tilt in for easy cleaning. Okay, so the first step we have to do is, as usual, unlock the window. Pretty much easy. Then the second step, before you tilt in the bottom sash, you have to raise it up like 3 to 4 inches. Place your fist right here at the bottom. And now we can tilt in the bottom sash. So how to do that? You squeeze at the same time these two side locks like that, and you can lower that sash. So now what we with this window, it's a double hung window, so we can tilt in the top sash as well. To do it, you just lower it, same thing, about 3 to 4 inches from the bottom sash, like this. You can place your fist in here. The same thing, the top sash has these two side locks right here, so you squeeze them at the same time like we did with the bottom sash, right? So you squeeze it in at the same time and you push that top sash to you right here for the inside, and finally it comes out. Here you go. We did it. Okay, so once you're done cleaning the glass, the exterior glass from the comfort of your house, from the interior of your house, what you have to do, you have to put these sashes back, right? So to do that, you just do like that. Look at this. And make sure that you push that sash a little bit down so it clicks. You hear that little click, and now you can raise it up. Same thing you do with the bottom sash. You can slam it like that, no problem. And same thing, push it down a little bit. See, you heard this little clicks, and now we have that sash sliding nice and easy. And you clean the windows Andersen 200 series without, I hope with a little bit of fun, without any issues. But if you have any other type of windows that they have wood interior or vinyl or anything like that, I'm gonna put into the description below all the videos that we have for the maintenance of the vinyl windows, composite windows, wood windows, you name it, Andersen 400 series, so you can check it out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.